Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super handy feature in Figma called Smart Selection and show you how the Tidy Up function can instantly organize your designs. If you've ever struggled with making elements perfectly aligned and evenly spaced, or just want to work a little bit faster and cleaner, this tutorial is definitely for you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to quickly align and swap your shapes like a design pro, so let's get started. So I've got a bunch of rectangle shapes ready on my canvas here. You might have a similar setup if you're working with buttons, cards, or a lineup of images, really any repeated element in your design. Here, what we're going to do, first I'll show you how to select all these rectangles, and then use the Tidy Up tool to make everything instantly neat and evenly spaced. Go ahead and select all the rectangles you want to organize. The easiest way is to just drag a selection box around them with your mouse, or you can hold Shift and click each one. When they're all selected, take a look at the bottom of your Figma window. You'll notice a little hamburger icon showing up, filled in blue, kind of looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of one another. This is the magic button. It might seem small, but it does a lot of work for you behind the scenes. Go ahead and click that blue hamburger icon. What happens right away is Figma's Tidy Up function kicks in. It tidies all your selected rectangles and spaces them out evenly. You'll notice the distances between each shape become consistent, just like magic. This is especially helpful if you've moved things around by hand and the gaps look just a little bit off. Tidy Up takes care of alignment and spacing in one simple step, turning a messy group into a clean, professional-looking row or column. Don't worry if the arrangement looks slightly different than what you started with. Tidy Up prioritizes equal spacing and neatness, which is almost always what you want in a design. Now here where it gets even more interesting. As long as you have your shape still selected, look closely at each one. You'll notice a pink circle appears next to the shapes, connected by a tiny pink line. These are special Smart Selection handles. They might not look like much, but they let you rearrange and adjust your shapes quickly. Think of them like little drag handles or puzzle pieces you can shuffle around any way you like. If you want to swap the position of any two rectangles in your lineup, simply grab one of those pink circles and drag it. The shapes will interchange positions in real time. It feels a bit like shuffling cards in a deck, super intuitive, and saves you from having to manually copy, paste, or redo anything. This is incredibly handy if you realize you want, say, the third button to be first, or you just want to experiment with different orders. And if you want to adjust the spacing between your rectangles, just drag the tiny pink line that connects them. You'll see the gap expand or shrink live as you move it, perfect if you want a little more breathing room or need everything to be a bit tighter. It's all about finding just the right look for your project. Don't worry if it feels a bit fiddly the first time. After a few tries, it'll become second nature. With Smart Selection and Tidy Up, you're in total control of your layout and you can iterate much more quickly. That's all there is to it. These simple Figma tools can really transform your workflow and make your designs look polished with just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Figma tips. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.